Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to stop Google Chrome from opening up on startup in Windows 10. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So first thing I would personally check would be to go look into the startup settings of your computer. So seeing different startup applications that may be starting up your computer. If you're on Windows 7 or Windows 8, you can just go ahead and type in msconfig into the start menu. On Windows 10, just right click on the taskbar, left click on Task Manager, and then left click on the startup tab. And if you notice Google Chrome is listed in here, just put left click on it one time and then select the disabled button down here. So pretty straightforward process of how to do that. So that would disable it from the system startup. Another thing you can try and do would be to disable it from running background applications. So you might see that the Chrome processes are running if you're viewing or browsing through Task Manager. So if you just want to make it so it won't be running in the background, maybe when you've already closed out of the Chrome browser, I'm going to show you guys how to change that setting as well. And that'd be to open up the settings icon in your top right corner of the browser, three vertical dotted icon at the time of this recording. Go ahead and left click on that, and then left click on the settings option near the bottom of this drop down list. And now you want to scroll down on this page until you get to the system section. So you're going to have to click on advanced to expand additional options. Scroll down again until you see where it says system. Continue running background apps when Google Chrome is closed. It more than likely will be toggled in the on position, which will be indicated by this blue circle inside of a blue to oval. Just to turn it off, click inside of it one time until it becomes gray, so you can see it just switched over to the left. Once that is done, just close out of here. And you probably should go about restarting your computer just to be safe, and that should hopefully be about it. So I do hope this brief tutorial was able to help you guys out, and as always, thank you for watching, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.